Hey UGC creators, want to know the best mobile video editing app for your content? Today we're comparing CapCut and InShot to help you decide which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First up, CapCut. This app made by ByteDance, the folks behind TikTok, is free with no ads or watermarks. It's packed with tools like trimming, cropping, speed control, and cool effects like green screen, motion tracking, and AI tools for captions or background removal. It's great for TikTok and Instagram with tons of templates and royalty-free music. You can even use it on desktop for bigger projects. Now InShot. This app is super easy to use, perfect for beginners. It's free, but the free version has ads and a watermark you can remove by watching an ad or paying $3.99 a month. InShot shines with simple editing, trim, cut, merge, add music, text, stickers, and filters. It also edits photos, collages, which is great for mixed content. It's awesome for quick Instagram reels or YouTube shorts. So how do they stack up? CapCut has more advanced features like keyframe, animation, and chroma key, making it ideal for creators who want pro-level edits. InShot is simpler, perfect for fast, straightforward edits. CapCut's free version gives you everything, while InShot's free version limits some effects, and its paid version is cheaper than CapCut's $7.99 pro plan. CapCut works on desktop too, but InShot is mobile only. Both support 4K exports, but CapCut's templates are more TikTok focused, while InShot's versatility suits broader social media. Verdict: pick CapCut if you want advanced tools and no watermarks for free, especially for TikTok. Go with InShot for quick, easy edits and photo editing on a budget. Try both to see what fits your vibe. Drop a comment with your favorite, and happy creating. Like and subscribe for more videos.